Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning into today's video. So you guys, it's been literally over a month since I've been able to wash my hair. I'm actually doing voiceover because I became sick. And so yeah, during this video, I literally had no voice, but I wanted to do an updated wash day routine. My hair desperately needed to be washed considering it had been a month. So this is my full updated wash day routine. So first, I am going to be pre-pooing my hair. I do want to do all of the steps for this wash day considering it has been about a month since I washed my hair. So what you see me holding is Ethiopian hair butter, and I'll be using this for my pre-poo. I did make this Ethiopian hair butter from scratch using 1 quart of heavy whipping cream. If you want to know how I made this Ethiopian hair butter and what are the benefits, I will link the tutorial on this video and in the description. All right, so this is actually my second time doing this Ethiopian hair butter treatment. And basically, you're supposed to just slather it on your hair before you shampoo or condition. Make sure you work it really good into your strands. They actually said to make sure that you massage it into your scalp as well to activate your follicles and, of course, promote growth and healthy hair. So the butter is actually really easy to work into your hair. It's just that my butter was a little bit frozen. I should have took it out of the freezer a little bit sooner, but oh well, here we are. As I'm working this butter into my hair, I am just gently separating any major knots and kinks that have built up over the past months. Like I said, this is my second time doing this treatment, so I'm really excited to see the benefits of using the Ethiopian hair butter and how it's going to affect my hair after a long time usage. So I'll continue to keep you guys updated on how it's going. Also, y'all might have saw the lighting switch up. I'm still trying to figure out this camera, y'all. I've had this camera for like what, 9 months now, and I'm still struggling. I really need to watch a tutorial, but I'm gonna get on it. Sorry about the lighting change. I promise it's gonna be better throughout this video. So I did end up using the entire bag of my Ethiopian hair butter. Like I said, that was 1 quart of heavy whipping cream. Now I'm going to let it sit for about 3 to 6 hours. They do want you to leave it in all day as long as possible and then rinse and do your regular wash day routine. So I end up leaving mine about 3 to 6 hours most because I do want to get on with wash day. Okay, y'all, so I know I'm doing voiceover for this video because my voice is currently gone, but I look so crazy and sick, but what I'm feeling right now is it feels unreal, like compared to before I put this in my hair. Like my hair is so soft. Oh my gosh. What? Okay, back to the voiceover. All right, so it has been in my hair for a while now. I don't know if you guys can see just how well my hair absorbed this butter, but my hair was indulging, okay? All right, so moving on, I am going to be shampooing my hair with the Curls Hair Under There Detox Tea Cleanser. Now, this is supposed to be for protective styles, but I genuinely just love the way that this cleans my scalp and the tingly feeling that it gives off. So I'm going to use this Detox Tea Cleanser, especially considering it has been so long since I washed my hair. And I also do have all of this butter in my hair as well. I want to make sure I choose a product that's really going to get in there, and this one is the one to do it. Alright, so I jumped in the shower and I scrub-a-dub-dubbed my head. I didn't film that part on camera because with the butter and the shampoo together, it just would have been too much for me to like sit down and film that. I didn't want to get butter and shampoo all over the place. Alright, next up, it's time to deep condition. I'll be using Curls Hair Under There Moisture Mask mixed with Hawaiian Silky's Hair Yogurt Intensive Treatment, the apple cider vinegar. So I know that I am using a lot of the Curls products, and I just want to say this is not a Curls review. I just genuinely loved this collection, and I love that this deep conditioner has a protein in it. So yes, my hair did need a little protein, not even gonna lie. So I deep conditioned for about an hour and then detangled my hair. I do like to let the conditioner sit before I just immediately start detangling. I want to let the product work into my hair and then start to get out the knots and kinks. Not as soon as the product touches my strands, I'm just combing through it. And I think that's a mistake that I've made in the past. So yeah. Also, when I'm filming, like sometimes I will detangle from top to bottom, and it's supposed to be from bottom to top, which is also another mistake that I'm working on. But yeah, I try to remember when I'm filming to correctly comb and detangle my hair because I want to make sure that I'm providing the right and correct information for you guys to have the, I guess, most beautiful natural hair that you can possibly have on your head, okay? So I'm just detangling my hair section by section, making sure I get out all the knots and kinks. So this is how much I shed from the left and the right side of my head. Now I'm going to rinse and get to styling. All right, so I was feeling a little playful, so I decided to style my hair with the As I Am curl color in the color Cool Blue. I styled my hair in a suede out, which is a half braid, half twist for those of you who don't know. I also wanted to give my hair a little extra moisture with this curl color, so I used Uncle Funky's Thirsty Curls and I used Kara Care's Cocoa Water. Alright, so I'm applying my leave-in first, then putting my curl color on top. Out of As I Am's curl color collection, I've used the red, the gold, and I've also used the gray, I believe. So I definitely wanted to check out one of the cool tones and see just how pigmented and dark that showed up. All right, so now we are getting into the twaiding. As you guys can see, I am braiding and then switching over to a 2-strand twist. Now you can switch over to a 3-strand twist. It is whatever you prefer. I did decide to put gloves on because my hands, even just doing one section, my hands were already stained blue and I didn't want to have blue hands. But I will say that rinsing the curl color off your hands is actually extremely easy. So I feel like it dyes your hands at first, but literally in the night, like by time nighttime arrives, your hands will be color free. So don't worry too much about wearing gloves. I just wasn't sure and I didn't want my hands to be super blue for like a week. So once I got to the top of my head, I just left it my natural hair color and I used the same leave-in conditioners, but I also used Eco Styler gel instead of the curl color. So I didn't want to go for like an ombre effect and I definitely achieved that in the final look. So considering I did have this blue color in my hair, I did not want to go to bed with my hair super wet. So I did sit under my hair dryer. So I guess you could say I did half air dry, half hair dryer. All right, so now it's time to unravel these twaids. I am just gently untwisting and unbraiding. Usually I would put oil on my fingertips, but because I did not want to reactivate the curl color, I just made sure to be super gentle and pay close attention when I was unraveling these twaids. Honestly, I love how vibrant this blue is. I did end up taking out my twaids like 5 days later. I just couldn't get to it because I've been so busy. But I love how vibrant my hair was. Even just having the blue twaids in was such a look and was so cute. So yeah, using the curl color is just such a fun way to just spruce up your everyday looks. Yes, child, she's giving sexy smurf, okay? All right, so now that all of my twaids are out, I am going to gently separate and fluff out this twaid out. So this makeup that I have was like sort of like Euphoria inspired, but I'm not sure if I hit the nail on the head. I just wanted to like be playful since I was gonna hop on camera and film. I was like, why not just try a little Euphoria look? So yeah, it's giving Pixie Fairy, Smurf, you know, whatever you want to call it. It's giving, okay? Feel free to leave a comment about the makeup and the hair below in my comments. All right, so now it's time to pick out our hair, fluff the roots, and add some body. Okay, it's giving blue flame. All right, hair is finished. We have a nice, beautiful twaid out with a pop of color on the ends. I did want it to look like it was like the underneath, like dyed underneath, that little like trendy look, if y'all know what I'm talking about. So yeah, I'm really happy with the way that my hair turned out. So happy to have a fresh head, a fresh scalp, okay? Thanks again for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.